Piper was singing her favorite song when all the neighboring cows and pig came to the fence to enjoy the show.
Well, I say, Piper, you sure got their attention. Look at this. Look at this.
The pig's here too.
The pigs too. I mean, they just listening to. Well, Piper, you gotta start somewhere, honey. I give it to you. You got their full attention. Yeah, they got her full. She got their full attention. You see, they just staring like free concert, girl. Piper, you may be on to something, girl. They may start booking you. Look at them. They sitting there just looking, listening to her. Get it, girl. Starring Piper, farm concerter.